Kulabalandeli bebhola laba bathi uSipho Chain akekho mnandi. Ebengeke azawathole lama clean sheets awu-20 without i-defense yakhe. Shuthi ngamanye amagama nina nithi phakathi kwaSiyema noSibisi oyedwa wabo uyi-defender of the season. That's what you are implying. Mangabe nithi uSipho Chain akekho mnandi, nithi i-defense yakhe mnandi. Shuthi uSiyema noSibisi ama-defender of the season. The very same guys who have been heavily criticized this season. Kuthiwa ibhodlela this ibhodlela that uSiyema uyatatazela solo kwahamba umbokazi nje akekho mnandi. Guys, you need to choose a struggle. Amanye ama-argument adizi because angeke uze uthi uSipho Chain akekho mnandi ebese nithi uSiyema benoSibisi abekho mnandi kanti lama clean sheet awu-20 bawathole kanjani? Yabo uthi amanye ama-argument adizi. Angeke amadoda angekho mnandi wonke athola ama clean sheet awu-20. Come on bafethu, ayikho into enjalo, ayikho into enjalo. Mina, I want us to shy away from giving credit where credit is due. Amajita adlalile this season. Yabona uSiyema, uSibisi, uSipho Chain in conjunction, both three, well, including nama left back nama right back, obviously, but badlalile amajita to make sure ukuthi iPirates is one of the best defensive side this season. Ngicela ukubuza one thing, yipi i-team conceded less goals this season? I will answer for you. The Orlando Pirates. That's not a fluke. Shuthi phakathi kwaSiyema noSibisi. Mina ngithi ibhodlela.
USipho Chain has proven once again to be the best goalkeeper in South Africa currently. As you can see for yourself today, never mind the number of saves he made today, but he has proven that he is the best. The number of clean sheets, but yeah, he's the best, man. You can see for yourself. The score is 0-0. He did not concede a shot, but yes, he's the best. He's the best. Mzansi is number one. Yes. All right. Football bans aside, so sonke siyavumelana la, including myself, ukuthi uChain is not tested enough. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini le? Ukuthi i-defense yakhe iyamvikela, iyamprotector. So mazingabi khona inkulumo if le ndoda le ubhodlela ebizwa esquadini. Ngeke phela sifike sithi uChain akekho nswempu ngoba usizo ama defender. Siphinde sizothi futhi hayi uSibisi uyabhetha. Mela phela oyedwa awabenze kahle. If uChain again sithi uChain uyabhetha, asithi uyabhetha. Uprotect with defense yakhe hayi ngoba ubest. Okay ke. Shuthi defense yePirates ke is the best. Ilula.
Sanibona mfethu uVanilo. So namhlanje ngenza ipost ke namhlanje kusini. Ngasho ukuthi ke the guy with the most saves ku-Betway Premiership versus the guy onama clean sheets amaningi. Ubani okumele abe i-goalkeeper of the season? Ngiposte amabomu lephuzu zama ukucoverisha i-biased esinayo ezama-fans ebhola la ku-Betway Premiership. Abantu abaningi abafuna ukumrecognize uSipho Chain as umchita owenza kahle kakhulu kule season so far. Why bengafuna umrecognize? It's because they are saying umchita une defense right. Une defense right, so akumelanga ithole iBetway goalkeeper of the season. Kumele ithole ubani na? Kumele ithole ugoalkeeper othole ama-shots amaningi. So sizomrecognize ngokuthi ke ugoalkeeper wenze kahle ngesizini ngokuthi uthole ama-shots amaningi. Ubani ugoalkeeper othole ama-shots amaningi kule season so far? This is the goalkeeper othole ama-shots amaningi ku-Betway Premiership so far. And uyena onama saves amaningi ku-Betway Premiership so far than any other goalkeeper okhona ku-Betway Premiership. And that shows you, and that tells you ukuthi ke akakwazi ukuthi ke abe goalkeeper of the season ubani na lo goalkeeper weTS Galaxy, because once ubheka ama games aseke wadlala uconsider some lousy goals even though enama saves amaningi. Yabo, so lento le enzama ukuqhamuka nabo bafethu ayikho right. Uma sobabheka ama stats akhe umchita uSipho Chain, I remember when uRonwen Williams wathola inina, wathola iplayer of the season ngokuthi ke ube nama clean sheets amaningi. Ebe nama clean sheets amaningi kunjalo nje wayene defense strong eyayimsiza, but yayingekho leyo conversation yokuthi ke uRonwen Williams une defense strong. Wara yayingekho leyo conversation. Ikhona manje because ke ugoalkeeper one owePirates.
Sipho Chain is not the best goalkeeper this season because of he faces less shots, regardless of the amount of clean sheets he has. He is saved by the defense. This is what we hear from people, right? And it's okay, you know. There's a bit of jealousy and a bit of truth in what they say. He faces less shots, sure, but saying he's not the best goalkeeper. If you can look at the goalkeepers all over the world, the best goalkeepers all over the world play for the big teams, and those goalkeepers from the big teams, they don't face a lot of shots. But let's go to Rowan Williams, right? Because of these are Sundowns fans for sure that are saying these things, most of them. Rowan Williams' best season was in 2022-2023 season, where he broke the PSL record with 18 clean sheets, right? By that time, he was the guy on top. He was the best goalkeeper in the league. But if I use your logic into this, do you know who is the top 3 goalkeepers who made the most shots that season? Number 1 was Salim Maguli, right? Number 2, Melusi Buthelezi. Number 3 is Washington Narobi. And if you can look at saves per game that are made by all the goalkeepers in the league, Rowan Williams is not even in the top 10. Rowan Williams faced less shots that season. So what? Okay, Senzin game manje, like Senzin, because of it seemed like at that time he was the best. Sipho is doing exactly what Rowan Williams did that season, but Rowan Williams was the best according to certain people. But when it comes to Sipho, you all are downplaying his achievements, you know. So, like I said, there's jealousy into this, you know. And the other thing is the type of team he's playing for. Trust me, if Sipho was having this type of numbers and he was playing for Sundowns, we wouldn't be hearing such things. So, hey, man, if you're jealous, you're jealous, man. It is what it is. You have to stomach it. Sipho is the best, whether you like it or not. And that's it.
It's unheard of where a goalkeeper keeps 20 clean sheets out of 30 games.
Yeah.
That is 2/3 of the entire season's games. But at the same time, you look at, let's point in case, yesterday's game. How many times was goalkeeper Sipho tested? Not a single shot on target. But when you go to, Ronza, when you go to Durban, Peterson, he was tested.
Yes.
Peterson won the game in Durban for Kaizer Chiefs. Ronza won the game for us here. Sipho, yes, we must give credit. We must give credit to the back line. We must give credit to the midfield. Orlando Pirates doesn't get attacked as much as these two teams in particular. The Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns, they get attacked a lot more. So you get a lot of teams, a lot of goalkeepers, a lot of saves. But Sipho doesn't even appear in the top 5 saves in the entire league.
That's interesting.
So yes, give him credit. He will get. Remember, with the goalkeeper of the season, just by effect of that, you kept the most clean sheets. You get it.
Kune debates ekhona ye goalkeeper of the season. Bafethu akumele ngabe debates, never a debates. Why usa debate walento ngoba phela siyabona ukuthi uSipho bafethu unama clean sheets awu 20. Indaba kubi debates why? Yabo bethu angi-understand, ngivele ngibe confused kakhulu mase sengibona Mamelodi Sundowns fan engena le debate le. Ethi goalkeeper of the season mele kube omunye umuntu. Sasikhona phela 2022-2023 Williams eyiwini goalkeeper of the season. I think wa consider 9 or 10 goals. Waba nama clean sheets awu 18. Umuntu loyo consider once after 4 games loyo. Ama-saves wayengawenzi naye Williams bafethu naye abosebotshontsho ngobehleze eseholiday. Williams wayeseholiday. Kodwa ayikaze ikhulumisa indaba yokuthi uba uzoba i-goalkeeper of the season. Lento le mfethu ibuyela kulento le engihlezi ngisho kushow yethu mfethu njalo 9:30 Mondays and Thursday beyond football. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi iSundowns ayivuli isonto. Sivele siyikhonze ngoba yabo uNkulunkulu siyamsaba mfethu kodwa ngeke iSundowns I think sisaba kakhulu. yabo. Kunezinto nempetho vethu wena uthi uyakhulumisa ngone manje lento ngaphela isake yenzeka nangale. Akekho umuntu owayivula ama-debates e-goalkeeper of the season. If wena usebenzisa ilogic yokuthi u-goalkeeper onama-save amaningi, onama-man of the match, uyena umele abe i-goalkeeper of the season. Shuthi phela make-nominate ama-goalkeeper of the season kumele kube uChipper Zaze, u-Arobi noTape Ire lo we-TS Galaxy. Abantu labo bethu abahlezi bebemelana nama-shots, shots after shots, save after save. For sure ama-save ababheke ko-90 manje, 90 saves per season. uWilliams Buffett naye wayiwina kanjalo and ayekho umuntu owayenenkulumo noma engabaza ethi defense kanjani. Why kulokhu kube nezinkulumo? Come on guys. Awu.
Very alert is China. Decision to pile it away for a corner was the best for me. Full stretch.
Josia! And what a save from Sipochain. Great reflexes. What a chance that one. The best of the game for Chipper. I tell you what, it's a match-winning save there from Sipochain.
Really had to stretch that good save there from Sipo.
Excellent save. There was power behind it, but Sipochain gets the right way. Sipochain, 2 big saves,